How to cancel Discord Nitro trial subscription. First thing first, you're going to have to open up your Discord application. Once you open up the app, you just have to make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see here, if I just go back on my profile and tap on my profile, I am already logged in. So from here on out, you're going to head over to the U section at the bottom right. And on the bottom right corner, you can see the settings menu once you get to your profile on the top right. And right besides that, you have the Nitro option. You can either go to settings by tapping on the gear icon. And from here, you'll see the Get Nitro option right on top. And if you already have Nitro, you'll have an option to cancel the subscription right here. So if this is your trial subscription, then you will have an option to cancel your subscription. Go ahead and tap on the cancel option, right? You will see it right around here on the right side of your screen. And once you have done that, it will ask you for your confirmation. Just confirm that you want to cancel. After doing that, your Discord Nitro subscription will be canceled. And also you can directly go to that setting by tapping on this Nitro. And once you do that, you'll be able to get the Discord Nitro from here. And if you want to cancel the subscription, you'll have the same option. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.